In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, commands Muslims to maintain justice in all circumstances. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 135.
O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives.
This is an important characteristic for all Muslims to adopt and to teach their dependents, such as their children. A Muslim must choose the right option in every situation, even if this contradicts their own desires or the desires of others. A Muslim should not simply choose the incorrect option just because a dear one is connected to it. Unfortunately, many Muslims act a certain way, which is not acceptable in Islam, yet claim that their family are pleased with it. For example, a Muslim woman will dress inappropriately and claim that her husband is happy with how she dresses. But this is not the just path, as her husband will not judge her on Judgment Day, only Allah, the Exalted, will. Therefore they and all Muslims should choose the just path, which is the path pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, not themselves or others. This does not mean one should fight with others over issues, but they should kindly point out the just path to others, and remind them that it is their duty to choose it, as there is no obedience to the creation if it leads to the disobedience of the Creator. Muslims must not act according to their own desires, nor act to please their relatives and friends out of some misplaced loyalty. They should instead act justly for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, and choose what pleases Him over all others.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.